Hi guys, it's Fluttershy the Gamer here with my best friend ever.
You're choking me.
NeonStorm AJ and my other best friend, Mary Clark. And NeonStorm AJ just died, but people have been wondering what me and her look like without our glasses. We look kind of ugly without our glasses and stuff, so,
Yeah, start it up.
I'm that neighbor, so yeah, if you get a chance, make sure you do that.
I'm so scared.
Chinese!
Yeah, I'm not going to be racist on YouTube.
And this is what we look like without our glasses. Hope you all enjoyed it. So yep, and she's doing weird music. So
no, that's no.
yeah, we should take our glasses off for the entire video. And
What the heck can we have? Girl.
And we are just gonna do weird faces with other. Oh, can you see my makeup? Is my makeup beautiful?
There's no makeup.
Yes, there is. Can you see it? Where's makeup?
Oh, my face.
Okay, me and Rachel are gonna be making weird noises, so let's do it. Yeah.